In this video, I will show you the options from IKEA for a monitor mount, a monitor arm system for the screen of your computer or even a laptop. So this one is interesting. The STUBBERGET. This is the name of the product from IKEA for a laptop arm stand basically. And this is the Vesa mount, STUBBERGET, the same name. And from what I understand, they are going to be discontinued, but I'm not sure. I don't understand very well. And this is what I really like about this, that you can quickly release the arm, move the position up or down, and then lock it back in place. I'm not really a big fan of this kind of single monitor post, and that because it goes on the desk, and the desk might not really support the weight of two monitors. It depends on the desk you have and also on what you add to it. I believe you could add some extra support on the top and below, so that's the support point. I believe this is not enough. It's too small. The contact surface to the desk is too small, but you could always add a piece of metal. Really, you could just buy a piece of metal that will go between the desk and that support mounting bracket. So yeah, that's the arm for the tablet. It's an extension, and then you can, that one is 30 euro. And here I removed these pieces, these boxes here, to show you the mounting option, to see how it looks like. Also for myself to see it. This is the microphone mount. I already got that one from the offer zone. It was cheaper. And this is the monitor arm, 35 euro for the post and one arm. So if you want to have the tablet holder or laptop holder and this, you will get these two. So it's gonna be 30 and 35. It's gonna be 65 euro for both. And that's what you would expect to find in the box for the arm for the monitor. The post is the most important part here. That one needs to be strong, and this one is a dual monitor setup. That's what I would get if I would get these ones. The problem here for me is that they are white. I would prefer them to be black, so white is more noticeable, but maybe it really doesn't matter. My desk is white anyway, so maybe white is less noticeable. Yeah, they might replace this with better products in the future, hopefully. And while I was watching this video, this STUBBERGET videos, I noticed some things that maybe it's not right, but maybe I'm confused and I'm not sure if it's really like that. There seems to be, yeah, so that's the mounting plate. It's really too small, and that foam might start melting. Yeah, this seems to be no adjustment to rotate the screen horizontally, so I don't see that. I don't see how that would happen, but maybe. And also there is this, you see the whole arm is kind of moving, so yeah, it looks like there is an option to rotate it horizontally, so that's okay on the head here, on the Vesa head. And I don't know how heavy that would be, but probably it's okay. But the mount itself seems a bit flimsy, but I don't know. I think maybe it's okay, because if you can rotate the screen, I was just worried that the screen might not be horizontal because it's a bit leaning, but probably it's okay. So I don't know. Maybe I get it, maybe no. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this.